Okay, markets would say we knew that the forex loss was coming and that has been quantified, but there's an additional write-off.
Yeah.
From where that has come, and that is something which is difficult to reconcile, which means that apart from this forex issue, what we know and which is in the public domain, which has impacted the market per se, there is an additional provisioning which has happened, which is hard to reconcile, which means that even in the other operating businesses also, especially the MFI business, the stress is not over. Then this whole vacuum continues. Who will be the next CEO? Who will come? What would be the impact of that in terms of near-term team and in what shape the building would take? Will IndusInd Bank go very conservative in FY26 simply because they will now have to maintain what could be called as a very cautious view? So it's a stock where I would say that just because it has fallen and it may be cheap, looking at the relative valuations, I think it is still not a buy. I think markets would really wait for lot of clarity to emerge. First, clarity on this next CEO, then clarity on which way the business dynamics are really going to move. What is the shape of the book? What will happen to the lending activity? And those are big unanswered questions. And I always say that in market, you cannot just bet. It is, especially when it comes to financials, it is better to play seen rather than playing blind. In the financial space, there are a lot of good banks where NPAs are better, management comfort is there, and valuations are not stretched. So I think IndusInd Bank should be avoided, and one is better off not really trying to buy that dip also today.